If the 10th gen Civic was a bit immature looking for your tastes, then you're going to love the 11th gen. The newest Civic looks all grown up and it heavily resembles the Accord, and that's not a bad thing either. The 11th generation Civic is powered by either a turbocharged 4-cylinder, which is going to allow you to get great gas mileage and great response, or a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. That means it gets up to 33 miles per gallon in the city and 42 on the highway. Up front, you can see Honda went with some more subdued styling compared to the previous model. There's a new headlight design and sleek lines on the hood. Down the side, we have new wheel choices and a swoopy silhouette. I especially like the body line that runs along the side, linking the headlights to the taillights. Around back, we have a large trunk, nicely shaped taillights, and all Civics now come with a backup camera. I mean, come on, it's 2022. Stepping inside, the first thing you'll notice is the new infotainment screen. It's mounted high on the dash to keep your eyes on the road for longer. Underneath that, we have our climate control vents, and check out this honeycomb pattern that runs along the dash. It looks really neat. A shelf that's perfect for your phone, and a large center console. And a little birdie told me that there's an Easter egg packed somewhere in there, and that's pretty cool. We have a digital gauge cluster on the higher trims paired with a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Civic is really making a move up market with this model. The back seats are super spacious for a compact sedan, and that's something your passengers will definitely appreciate. But you know what you'll appreciate? The amazing service you receive at McGrath City Honda.